Do you like the idea of just messing around spontaneously and seeing what you get? If you do, you're in the right place. I'm Pat from Scrivener Art and Design in Parksville, British Columbia on beautiful Vancouver Island. In today's video, I'm showing you a sneak peek into what we're going to be working on in my Make Your Mark membership in August. So this month of July, we have been just working on sketches from everyday life, your travels. We're going to morph that into more sketches, but with a different approach. So in this approach, it's really about painting from a sketch or from plein air. And I have a noisy crow outside and my studio door is open. Sorry about that. Using watercolor, acrylic ink, high flow acrylics, all of these materials can give you great spontaneity and lack of control. So we're going to be focusing on that, as well as focusing on painting from a memory. So thinking about a time in your life, a memory that you have that's very strong, and evoking it on a canvas or paper without any photo reference, just bringing that memory loosely back onto the canvas. I think by doing that we can get a lot looser painting. We're not going to be looking at a reference and trying to copy it. We're just really getting the feeling. So in this video, I'm going to show you a demo. And if you are really interested, I invite you to come over to the membership group. The link is in the description below. It's $19 US a month. And there's tons of value in there. We're into our 6th month now, and you get all the previous month's workshops. So each month is a new workshop, and there's also a learning library in there. And if you just want the learning library, you can also get that for $5 a month and just binge on those videos. So I hope you'll join us over in the membership. It's a great community and we have a lot of fun. On to the video. I did this sketch down at the beach just with pen and ink or with some watercolor, and I thought that I would try to emulate it. It was just a bunch of fallen logs and branches and a little stream of water coming, trickling into the ocean. So I'm just going to use that as my inspiration. And I'm using watercolor, fluid acrylic, and acrylic ink. I'm going to try using 3 different things. So I have some tube watercolor. Maybe it's too dried up here. Just trying to go through some of my supplies that I've had and use them up, throw them out. This one's good, but I can't get the lid off, so not to worry. What I'm going to do is, this is canvas, prime canvas, and because I want this to be very spontaneous and kind of like when you work with watercolor, but I'm not working on watercolor paper, so I am still going to wet it because I want that spontaneity of the ink and the fluid acrylics to move around. So I have some FW ink, I have some Liquitex white ink, and I have also some golden fluid acrylics here. And I might use a little bit of a pen as well to just get in a few marks. So we have some water and some logs. I'm going to start by putting in a little bit with this watercolor. Again, keeping it very loose. That was generous. I'm going to put in some of the sepia color. Try a little bit of watercolor crayon. Just try to manipulate this a little bit with the credit card. Put in a few grasses and reeds. I'm going to set that one aside and try another one. So this time I think I'm going to put some on and then try adding my water. There's a lot more water on here than doing it the other way. Not sure that I like this way as good. Probably gonna have to blot some of it up. We'll see where it goes. Okay, so let's get in some darker branches, maybe a little bit more in the water. Oops. So that was the sepia fluid. I'm just going to manipulate it around a bit with the credit card. And this one, I'm going to try a little bit of green ink. So there's the start of the two. This one got a little bit murky. I think I used too much water in it, and I'm going to have to come back in to it and lighten it up and maybe get a little more definition in places. But I do like the spontaneity. I like leaving some of the white of the background of the canvas as well. So it has that spontaneous watercolor feel to it, but it is mostly in acrylic. This is what we're going to be working on in the membership this coming module. So the month of August will be spontaneous landscape type sketches. And if you'd like to join, I'll leave the link below in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you found value in this video and that you'll give it a try yourself. If you did like it, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share this out with a friend. I greatly appreciate it. Have a great week.